Hello guys, welcome to another section with me today. So today you're going to watch me analyze the market and pick my trades for today. But today I'm going to deal with forex markets mainly today and pick some trades from my profile accounts I'm managing. So let's start. Um, this is uh, pound yen on uptrend here on daily. So I'm looking for look for a pullback entry on lower time frame to go for the day trade, which may not happen now. Maybe later today it will happen. I'm looking for a pullback to this level, something to like pull back to this support, and then we go up from there. That did not happen. I'm waiting for a pullback here on 13 time frame to this zone to become a support, and I will take a buy here. Then we go up from there. So let's see how this will go. Let's see. Let me check on that pair. I have euro yen here. Same process. This on a 30 time frame is on a bullish trend. On that time frame, now it is almost touching resistance point level. Let's see. Yes. So, but overall, this is a bullish upward, or most time frame is a bullish market. So we are buying, right? So remember this the law, you buy when others are buying. That is, when there's a buying pressure in the market, you buy, you look for a good entry opportunity to buy, you buy, and then when others are selling, you look for a good pullback edge to sell as well, because your small amount cannot create a trend. You can only jump on a trend or on a new trend to make your own money. Okay, so this guy is on a buy. I'm looking for a pullback entry back to this zone, a pullback to this zone like this, and taking my buy up to the next resistance I have right there. But it may not happen. If it does not happen, I will be open to take a buy. If you had a breakout of this resistance zone and a pullback to test it, then I will take a buy. But if that does not happen, if this resistance zone starts as a strong resistance and price push down, I'll be open for you to create a downtrend first. Then I will once the change of structure to downtrend, and I'll be entering at a pullback level. So that's how I'm going to do it. You want to enter at a zone that you have low risk, but yet you have chance to make high reward. So this is something. This zone is something like a resistance zone. Price can come down a little bit. If price did come to this level, I may buy. If price did come to this level, I'll buy from this level up. So let's see how this thing will happen, or if it come down to this level. And there's change of structure to uptrend back, then I can enter. So let's see how this goes. The next guy I'm checking out is USDJPY. It has been on uptrend for weeks now. Trend for weeks. So we're having a small zoom here, which if price did pull back to this zone, I can have a buy. So back to this zone. So for a day trade. Yeah, and then we go up. But I don't really like this kind of pullback. I'll prefer something to I'll prefer to come down to this level to take my buy. So let's see how it goes. This guy, so it may happen today, it may not happen today, but I'll keep watching it to see what will happen on this guy today. The next guy I want to check out is I'm on this trade now. Yes, I'm on this short on Euro card. That right there. I've take out more than like 8% of my profit out of this market. Yeah. So this is my overall targets right there. So I'm expecting that there'll be a kind of a rejection of this zone. Price will either reject the zone or here and continue the downtrend movement because on higher time frame this is bearish. So yeah, we have a bearish you can see some movement, but on a monthly level we are on a support level, key support level. So hence I had to take out a lot of profits in case it want to reverse anywhere before it gets to my overall target, which is here. So let's see how it goes. The next guy is USD card. Next P on my list. Here is on a support level. Now, yesterday end for USD card as a good bullish sign at a key support level. Yes, and this weekly candle is also form a rejection candle right there. So you can take a swing trade right from here. Put a stop loss a little bit here and then ride up, hopefully. But you want to go for a more short trade as chance of working than failing. So here we're on a downtrend of 4 hours. We put in your trend line. You will say we're on a downtrend like this. So what am I looking for? If I want to take a buy on 4 hours time frame now, I'll be looking for a breakout of this tiny zone and a retest of it. Then retest of it, then we can buy to this level as first target, and then this level as second target. Then this as the third target. So like that. So a breakout of the zone plus a pullback to reject the zone, then we can enter. So that is in agreement with market structure, which is location the right. So you want to buy the right location with the right event. So that's how to take your trade. So be quality based trade. So I can even take my trade on this time frame, 1 hour time frame for an inter day trade. The return of this zone, then we take our buy to up. For now, you can have take a short with this candle and hopefully it come down. But because I can take a short sell to this zone. So let's see how it goes. And this is a pound dollar. So I'll make clear the chart to remove these drawings that are there and look at it with a fresh insight. On higher time frame, what do we have here? On monthly, we are actually at a support level right there. It's a downtrend, so we have our low here and our high here. So since June last year, price has been on a downtrend on GBP US dollar. So now we had a bullish price action at support level, which is bullish, sign number one. So, but we had a small zone here, which price did touch and is now rejecting for an intraday trade. Those are shorts on day trade. So the short right here, and so you have this. So now it's touching this support. Now for a swing trade, if I want to take a swing on daily, where will I be buying from? I'll wait for a breakout of this zone like this and a retest of this key zone. Then I'll take my buy here with the bullish candle and then take buy up. We're going to take my buy on 4 hours. Now, this is a strong support zone, and we're seeing a bullish price action right here. Okay, so if you are trading with support and resistance plus market structure, you will have, okay, since the daily is the book is actually on, we are seeing a bullish sign on daily, just take a buy at the close of this candle. Stop loss here, taking a buy to this zone at 1-to-1 ratio. But if you want to go beyond that, you want to be sure that this thing will work, you have to check everything around that zone. Now, the trend, original uptrend, we could first have the break of this trend line right there, and price came back to retest this low, but could not break it beyond. Okay, now this minor low was broken. This minor low here, broken by price. So now, since the trend seems like it's kind of changing and everything, anything can happen between here and here. You can just reject this minor lower time frame resistance right there and then sell back downward. Any of this can happen and can just be a bullish and everything. So to be on silver side, I would prefer to be a breakout of this key zone here and a retest of it where I take my buy on this particular asset, sorry, particular currency. So I don't know how it will go, but let's see. So if you want to buy, the person who have actually bought will have been here this morning around 7 a.m. You can buy here with this candle. So, and then by now you'll have been profits, but you're buying to the zone. And if you want to take a buy for another buy again for a day trade, what should be buying next? If I had to see a breakout of this minor zone and a retest of it, then take another buy. Where we buying to are buying to this higher time frame resistance, daily resistance level. So a retest of this zone back, then buy into this level as our targets. But before then, we'll be taking some profit along the line, right from here and here and then here. So like that. So let's see what we happen today. And we can still have a retest of here. And the price, they move up here upward. But because of what I'm seeing on 4 hours is two-way, okay, is two-way in the sense that it can go either way, up or down. It can go either way. So now, in the case like this, what should you do? You want to trade with confidence, not just hope, like, oh, hope it will work, hope. No, you want to be sure that at least this thing can work. So you should go for best high quality trades, not just some random hopeful trades. So to do that, I want to see a breakout of this zone for a buy or a breakout of this zone for a sell. So for now, just wait and watch what pounds USD will do. So then we are here at Euro USD too. Same thing. They have similar market structure pattern, both on daily and 4 hours. Very similar. So here too also on support level monthly. So let's see. And the test of this resistance level is going on at the moment, and price seems to be right into that zone. If you take your buy on weekly here on Euro USD, this bullish graphic candle you see, for a position trade. So you'll have been profits now. Yep. So like to wait for weeks for it to work. If you can wait for that. Now, we should watch next for Euro USD. We're having a retest of this support right here on Euro USD. Like I said, the best way to buy is the breakout of this zone like this, and a retest of it that can buy from here upward. So, but for 4 hours trade, you could have also taken your buy right at this, open at this support we hold, but like I said earlier, sit with GBUSD. There is a break of trend line here, and if you watch, the trend is a higher low, higher highs. For the first time, we had a break of support here, and then a lower high formed from there, which is this. And then now we are having something like a lower low, this massive bearish engulfing candle. So for me, this is more bearish than bullish. We had this, we have this resistance here that it has to contend with. So I'm seeing this as a test of this minor support here for it to continue to sell downward. So, but to be on the safer side, I will not buy or sell yet. I will rather wait for a break of this support to buy or break of this resistance to. So wait for a break of this support to sell and a break of this resistance to buy. But for a day trade trades, you can see some buying opportunities. If price did break right through this zone and we test it, then we can buy to the zone. Something like this. So let's see how it will go. So I'll continue next video. So see you guys. Thank you.